Hello everyone, my name is Marida Nurhasana and today I'm going to talk about assessing literary response in language testing. This topic explains how teachers check student understanding and reaction to literary texts like story or poems. What is literary response? Literary response means how students understand and react to a story, poem, or any literary text. It includes explaining the story, talking about the character and themes, giving opinion and feelings. This helps teachers see if students really understand the text. First, what is a literary response? Literary response simply means how a student understand and react to a text they read. For example, students explain the plot, talk about the character, find the theme, or share their feeling about the text. So basically, literary response is not only about what happened in their story, but also what the story means to the student. This helps teacher know if student deeply understand the text. Next, why do we assess it? To check if student can understand the main ideas, find deeper meanings, think critically, use English clearly. It shows both reading skill and speaking or writing skill. We assess literary response for several reasons. First, we want to know if students understand the main ideas of the story. Second, we check if they can find deeper meanings, like the message or hidden symbols. Literary response also shows student critical thinking because they need to explain why they think something is important. And of course, it shows their English skill because they must express their ideas clearly. Next, how do we assess literary response? First, writing tasks. Short essay, simple reflection. Second, speaking tasks, discussion or presentation. Third, short question, theme, message, character, action. Fourth, creative tasks, role play, reading aloud or rewriting a scene. Fifth, teacher choose the method based on student level. There are many ways to assess literary response. Teacher can ask students to write a story essay to reflection about the text. They can also ask students to speak, like joining a discussion or giving a simple presentation. Sometimes, teacher give short question about the theme, message, or character. And for creative tasks, students may do a role play, read a part of the story out loud, or rewrite a scene. The method depends on the student level and the learning goals. Next, what are the evaluation criteria? When teachers score literary response, they usually look at a few things. First, understanding. Can the student explain the story correctly? Second, interpretation. Can they explain deeper meaning or symbols? Third, critical thinking. Can they give good reason and opinions? Fourth, language use. Is their English clear and correct? And sometimes they also look at creativity, like how original and the student ideas are. In short, literary response assessment help teachers see both comprehension and language ability. That is my presentation about assessing literary response. I hope it helps you understand and how literary texts are used in language testing.
Hello, my name is Marida Hasana. In this part, I will do a simulation of two speaking assessment methods. First, verbal essay, and second, pre-interview. Let's begin. For the verbal essay, I will give the student on topic. The student must answer it like an essay, but spoken, not written. Okay, here is your topic. What is the most meaningful book or stories you have ever read, and why you must start?
The most meaningful story for me is The Little Prince. I like it because the story teaches us about friendship and seeing things with the heart. The book uses simple language, but it has many deep message. It reminds me that adults sometimes forget important things in life. That is why the story is meaningful to me.
Thank you. In the verbal essay, I check the student fluency, organization of ideas, clarity, and language use. Now I will continue with the second method, which is the free interview. In this method, I ask open-ended questions, and the student answer freely. This helped me see their fluency, coherence, and accuracy. Okay, let's start. What kind of books or story do you enjoy reading the most?
I enjoy reading romance and fantasy story because they are fun and relaxing.
What do you think makes a story interesting for you?
A story is interesting if the characters feel real and the plot is easy to follow.
Do you prefer a print book or digital book, and why?
I prefer digital books because they are easy to carry and cheaper.
In the free interview, I pay attention to the student ability to speak naturally. I check how well they answer questions, how clear their ideas are, and how accurate their grammar is. That is simulation of the two speaking assessment method, the verbal essay and the free interview. Thank you for watching.